Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the brand new Hermès H08 Titanium, the sporty chic men's watch that's redefining luxury timepieces in 2025. If you're a fan of Hermès watches or just love bold design, you're going to want to see this. Founded in 1837, Hermès built its reputation on exquisite craftsmanship. From iconic models like the Cape Cod and Arceau to its own in-house calibers, Hermès has proven that it's not just a fashion house. It's a serious watchmaker with Swiss credentials. The H08, designed by Philippe Delotal, returns with its signature 39mm cushion-shaped case, now in lightweight titanium. With satin-brushed and mirror-polished finishes, a 100-meter water resistance, and that unique Hermès font echoing the 0 and 8, this watch is a masterclass in subtle details. Inside beats the H1837 automatic movement, built by Porsche with a 50-hour power reserve and the signature Hermès H motif on the rotor. Two new references join the collection. The first is monochrome titanium with an orange-tipped seconds hand, an unmistakable Hermès accent. The second features a black ceramic bezel with bleu Saint-Cyr numerals glowing in blue superluminova. Both can be paired with a titanium bracelet, textured rubber in orange, blue abyss, or dark grey, and even refined textile straps, all with titanium folding buckles. Prices start at around €6,900 or $6,650 for the strap version and up to €7,900 or $7,600 for the blue Saint-Cyr model. These watches join Hermès's permanent collection soon. If you enjoyed this Hermès H08 review, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into the world of luxury watches.